If you're wondering how to allocate part payment of purchases in Xero, you've come to the right place. By the end of this quick explanation, you'll know exactly how to handle partial payments for purchases, a key feature of Xero that can help you stay organized and in control of your accounting. Xero makes managing partial payments easy, and knowing how to allocate them correctly is vital for your records. Whether you're dealing with supplier invoices or reconciling bank transactions, it's crucial to ensure your financial records match up correctly. First, let's start with the purchase invoice. When you receive an invoice from your supplier, you'll notice the total amount due. If you're only paying a part of that invoice at the moment, Xero allows you to record a partial payment. This helps you track how much you've paid and how much is still outstanding. To begin allocating a part payment, open the invoice in Xero that you want to make a partial payment against. On the invoice page, you'll see an option to Make Payment. Click on it to enter the payment details. Enter the amount you're paying now. This is the part payment of the total invoice. Xero will automatically reduce the remaining balance, making it clear how much is still due on the invoice. After you've entered the payment amount, you'll want to select the bank account from which the payment was made. This helps with accurate reconciliation later on. If the payment has already been recorded in your bank feed, you can match it up to the invoice. Now, once you save the payment, Xero will update the invoice to reflect the partial payment. You'll see the outstanding balance on the invoice, so you can keep track of the remaining amount. This keeps your records neat and avoids any confusion later on when you make the final payment. What if you need to make multiple part payments over time? No problem. You can continue adding payments to the same invoice as needed. Each payment will be recorded against the invoice, and Xero will continue to update the balance accordingly. This way, you can manage your purchases, payments, and due amounts all in one place. It's also important to keep in mind that Xero lets you allocate payments to multiple invoices if needed. So, if you're making a part payment across different purchases, you can easily split the payment and allocate it to each invoice accordingly. Once your final payment is made, the invoice will be marked as paid in full and you're done. If you're using Xero for your business, this process helps ensure you're always up to date with your accounting and your supplier payments are properly tracked. If you're new to Xero, it's a great tool for managing all your financials, and it's not just for allocating part payments. There's so much more you can do with it. You can create and send invoices, track expenses, and even manage payroll. It's an essential tool for any small business owner or freelancer. As a bonus, you can get started using Xero completely free through the first link below. You'll also get access to exclusive bonuses, so be sure to check that out. This free trial is a fantastic opportunity to explore the full range of features Xero has to offer, including how to allocate part payments of purchases like a pro. Remember, using Xero can save you a lot of time, and with this extended free trial, you can get hands-on experience without any commitments. So, if you're managing partial payments and looking to take control of your finances more effectively, Xero is the tool for you. Now that you know how to allocate part payments of purchases in Xero, take full advantage of the software and start organizing your finances better today.